This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Digistore 24 for affiliate marketing. We will see how to create an account in Digistore, how to set up a payment method, how to find good products to sell, and how to promote them in order to generate affiliate revenue. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Step 1. Creating an account. You can use the link given in the description to open Digistore 24, or you can just go on any browser and search for it. Click here on login. If you already have an account, you can enter the details on the left and log in into your account. But if you are creating an account for the first time, click here on sign up. Enter your public username, which means this name will be visible to others as well. You can either enter your own name or use some variation of your name here. Enter your email ID and use a working email ID because you will need it for verification purposes. Enter a password here and make sure you remember it. You will need to enter the same password here again. After entering these details, scroll below and you have to click on the second option, I am an affiliate. You can read the contract and privacy policy here and select the checkbox to agree. Click continue. On this page, you can select your title, Mr. or Miss. I will select no title. Then enter your first name and last name here. You will be asked a company name, but it is not mandatory. You don't need to have a company in order to start affiliate marketing through Digistore 24. But if you have a company, you can enter it here. It is optional. After this, enter your address, zip code, city, state, and country. Enter your phone number, and then again we have the option to enter Skype name or Telegram ID, and this is also optional. You can skip it if you want to, but you will need to fill in the remaining details. After entering all the required details, click on register for free now. You will see this video welcoming you to Digistore 24. Now open the email ID that you entered. You will find this verification email. Click on this verification link. You will be asked to enter your Digistore password that we just set. Type your password and click here. Wait for some time and you can see that our Digistore account has been successfully created. This is the dashboard where you can keep track of all your earnings. Our first step is now complete. Step 2. Setting up a payment method. On the dashboard, click on account and then click on payout account. The first option is password. So whenever you make any changes here, you will need to enter your password to save it. Next is payouts per month, where you can select how frequently you want to get paid, once, twice, or 4 times in a month. Next, you can set the minimum payout threshold, which cannot be less than $50. Next, notify by email. If you want to receive an email after every successful commission, you can enter your email ID here and you will be notified. Next is payout method, where there are 3 options. You can select any, but as a general recommendation for all, PayPal is a good choice. You will need to create a PayPal account and then enter your PayPal email ID here so that you can receive your payments. After entering all the details, go to the top, enter your password and click here on save below. Your payment method has been set up successfully. Now let us move on to the next step. Step 3. Finding good products. This step is one of the most important steps because if the products are bad, no one will purchase them. To find the products to promote, click here on Marketplace and click on All Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace. Here, you can see all the different products that you can promote, but finding the right product is very important. On the left, there are many categories of products to choose from. You will also find many different filters on the left. You can explore and select 1 or 2 categories that you want to focus on initially. Let us take this product for example. Here you can see some details like the price of this product is around $15 and you can get up to 95% commissions for each sale. Here we have the vendor name. The cart conversion rate is 1%, which is quite low, and the cancellation rate is 5.4%, which is not bad, but it isn't very good either. If the cancellation rate is above 5%, then it means there is something wrong with the product and people don't like it. You should always try to find products with low cancellation rate. Also remember to check the commission rates so that you know how much you can make for every single sale. Because you can either put in a lot of effort and sell one product worth $5, or you can use the same amount of effort and sell products worth $50 or $100. You can click on the product to know more about it. This is another product where you can see The price is very high, the commissions are good, but the cancellation rate is very, very bad. Like 19% means 1 in every 5 people that buy this product cancel their purchase, which is not a good sign. This is another example where the cancellation rate is very low, but the price of the product is also very low. You can check out different products and select which one you want to go for. Once you find a good product, click here on Promote Now, and you can see I have the option to copy promo link, but this will not happen with all the products. For some products, you will have to apply for the affiliate program and the vendor will decide whether they want to allow you to promote the product or not. In most cases, you will get approved. This product was open for all and we can start promoting it immediately. I will copy the promo link and paste it in the notepad so that I can use it later. Even if you don't copy paste it somewhere, you can always come back to Digistore and copy the link again. Also, remember that when people use this link to purchase the product, only then will you get the commissions. Now, the final step, step 4, promoting the products. If you search on YouTube, best methods to promote affiliate products, you will find many different methods like sharing the link on Facebook groups, Pinterest, blogs or YouTube. And the most common method you will find is promoting on YouTube. You will find many creators recommending this method and there is a good reason for that. Google is the world's #1 search engine, and when you look for something on Google, you will often find YouTube videos ranking on the top. And most people prefer watching videos over reading articles. So I will tell you how you can make videos without using your voice or showing your face, but you can go with any method that you want to in order to promote these products. Now, let's talk about the faceless videos. For every product on Digistore, you will find this sales page. Click on it and you will find more information about the product. What you can do is copy all the text and tell ChatGPT to write a YouTube script promoting this product and paste the website text. I know that you can provide ChatGPT with the website link as well, but I have found that sometimes ChatGPT cannot access everything by using the link and it does not give good results. And that is why I recommend copy pasting the text from the website. Once the script is ready, you can watch this video on the left where I have told how you can make fact videos using AI. You can use the same steps to make these product videos as well. If you want to promote products by writing blog articles, then you can check the video on the right, which is about an AI tool that can write product articles. So, this was everything you need to know in order to get started with Digistore 24 for affiliate marketing. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.